Please hurry up, the sun is too much.
Hi, baby.
Hi, darling.
How you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. You kept me waiting.
Oh, I'm so sorry, okay? Come on in, let's go.
Who carried this girl? Who came and took this girl? Huh? So this is how I lost this girl. This is after all. What have I done, God? Why can't you give me liver courage to summon what is summoning me? Huh? How? Who took this girl away? Who could this be? Who took this girl? Oh, Mama. Hey! Hey, Papa, like this question you asked me now. That is why I have come to this place, Papa. Since I know you as a father, in this house, what you do in this house is you sit on this spot to read newspaper. Under this same tree, this tree, among of all trees here, this is the only tree you choose to sit under to read papers. I've asked Mama so many times, why is it that Papa is always reading paper? Mama could not explain why. Papa, give me 10 million naira. Let me go and hustle like every other person. Because why? I have ambition. I have vision to be rich. Richer than Dangote and the rest of the millionaires.
Chuka, I sent you to university. You checked out from the hotel. From the university like hotel. On your own. Not because of school fees. All you do is to gallivant from one end to another, trying one thing or the other. You tried trekking to America, what is his name? Europe, from Sahara Desert. You failed. Failed from school, failed from the trekking, second failure. You said you want to play international football. I said, you tried it. You failed again. Third failure. 1, 2, 3.
Papa, stop counting all these failures for me. Counting failure 1, failure 2, failure 3. Papa, supposing somebody come here now, either one of these elders or passerby, hear you say all these things, they will think you're telling the truth. Papa, you're not telling.
Wait! Did I send you to school?
Which school? Shut up. Okay, shut up, school. Shut up. You sent me to school where I went, what I was eating in the school. When others are eating rice, I was drinking garri. When they were eating something important, I was eating something rubbish. Papa, that is not what it's supposed to be. My mates in that school, they come to school with G-Wagon and Porsche. Only for me, what I do is trek up and down. Papa, what kind of a father, what kind of a school did you send me to when you cannot afford my school fees? When you cannot afford what I am eating?
Oh, your mind tells you that life is bed of roses. You want to be this, you want to be that, you don't want to suffer. Please leave me alone.
Me leave you alone. Papa, I'm not going to leave you alone. No. I'm not going to leave you alone until you bless me. Yes, I won't leave you alone until you bless me. What?
Choker.
Wait, Papa. Papa, I remembered you telling me that Chief Amadi was your classmate in school. And during your school time, you used to solve mathematics for him. Papa, it is time for Chief Amadi to solve your own mathematics for you. If you don't want to go to Chief Amadi, let me go to Chief Amadi myself.
I don't have any mathematics that Amadi can solve for me.
What am I? Am I not your mathematics?
But I sent him to university.
Mathematics, they solve mathematics. Now, personally, they solve mathematics. Somebody will solve mathematics. Mathematics cannot solve itself.
Please leave here.
But let me leave now. I'm not leaving here until you settle me. I know I'm telling you this, you know.
Now I am scared.
Huh?
Now but fortunately, the document of this plot is not in your hand.
You see?
It's in my hand.
You see why I say you are very wicked?
You would have sold here.
Papa, you see why I said you're wicked? Your wickedness, Ibogide wicked onto grabbing the documents of this land. Papa, why will you hold on to papers? That's to tell you how wicked you are.
Cindy baby, Cindy baby,
I can jump the mountain for you. That is not a problem. This is just a small gutter. I can even jump the biggest gutter for your sake. What is there? It's a matter of love.
Wait, did you just call me Cindy?
Yes. Did I shoot the wrong target? Are you not Cindy?
Yes, I'm Cindy.
Fantastic. I know. How are you, Cindy? I know you very well. I decided to come and tell you that I like you. I love you, in fact. So because I love you, then
Speak up.
Okay, because I decided to come and tell you that I want to.
You're wasting my time.
Okay, sorry. To tell you that because I love you, I want to marry you.
You want to marry me? Really?
Yes, really.
Oh, sorry to bust the bubbles. As you can see, I'm engaged.
Engaged?
Yeah, engaged.
I don't have a problem with engagement. I am used to engagement. I don't have a problem. See, I have not come to engage you. I came to marry you and take you straight.
Just like that?
Yes, just like that.
No pay, but you don't know me.
I don't even know you. See what you're saying? See, I don't need to know you before. In fact, I know you very well, though. I know you very well. Wait, oh. Are you not Cindy?
Yes, I'm Cindy.
I should have said maybe I'm targeting the wrong shot. Okay, you are in a university and you are in your final years.
True.
Oh. And I am also aware that you're studying business administration. Truth or false?
True.
Oh. Okay, let me say this one now that you will see, or that will make you believe. As beautiful as you are, because you're beautiful, all the guys in campus and even outside campus, they are all coming to you because you're beautiful. This one come and say this one, this one come and say this one. And in the end, they say, I want to marry you. But because you are a woman with a high intelligence, you know what you want, you know what you need. You understand? You reject all of them. Because why? You want a man who is as intelligent as you are. A decent man that will love you for who you are. True or false?
Wow. I like you for this.
That means you'll marry me.
I didn't say that. The point there is, let's just go somewhere and talk. You know, marriage is a serious matter.
So let us move here.
Where is your car?
Oh, my car. My Ferrari, Chukas Ferrari. You see that car is very, very. In fact, the people that built that car, they customized the car in my name. It's a car that when I say Chukasin, the doors open. And when the doors open, I go inside the car. What I need to say is, tell the car where I'm going. The car will just take me. And if along the line, maybe on the way, there is traffic, the car will fly over other cars. I am telling you, the car is as beautiful as you are. You will like the car.
I like
Serious.
that kind of car.
You like it. You like it.
So, where is the car then?
Where is the car? Is that what you know, the car is, as a matter of fact, the car is in Western Germany, where they are trying to couple, put one or two things together, The Oyibo man that is coupling the car called me some days ago that he needs some money, more money to do one or two customization, and I sent the money to him to make sure that the car is in order. As soon as they finish coupling the car, they will use a chartered flight to send the car down. Then we can cruise around town and do, one or two things.
Okay, now how do we go?
Let me, it's for your own convenience too. In fact, we are going to do your wish. Your wish is my command. Now, in case you don't mind, or if you don't mind, let us go on taxi. Let's use taxi for now.
Okay, no problem.
You like it? Fantastic. It's all right. If I say we should stand here now and wait for taxi, we might not see because of how lonely the road is. Baby, you see all these tantalizer, Mr. Biggs, all those things are familiar. Leave all those. You don't need those kind of places. Do you understand? If your mother who gave birth to you was going to all those places, do you know you wouldn't have been this beautiful? When you want to eat food that is nourishing, food that is going to, make you look like a newborn baby, you come to natural places like this. You understand? In this place, you see a lot of natural vegetations. I am telling you, I am sure your mother who gave birth to you, look at how beautiful you are. Do you know your mother was eating nice, fresh, natural food? That is the reason you are this beautiful. All this fast food, have you ever eaten chicken in any fast food? You see that their chicken are incubated chicken that is, giving birth to under premature. They put it in incubator. They incubate it. When you come to a natural place like this, you eat okuki Igbo, natural fowl, saturated fowl the kajad. You got that? Scientists have it that if anybody eats under AC, it is detrimental to the detrimental to the health. When you say detri in Bobria or detri, full meaning is detrimental. It's Bobria where detri. The food you eat there under AC is always detrimental to the health. It is not good. So all these places are the kind of places you need to eat and live lively and make yourself comfortable. Madam, where is the order I made now? It will be ready, sir. For how long? 5 minutes. Do you know how long I've ordered for this food? You're telling me 5 minutes. I'm angry. Don't tell me don't first. I don't need your apology. Do you know who I am? Is it because I came to this place to come and eat? By right, I'm supposed to eat in a presidential house and not this place. I came to this place to eat because I want my baby here to enjoy the naturality, the composure, the things you see in a natural place. That is the reason I came to this place. Otherwise, I should have taken her to a presidential hotel to go and eat. Where we eat presidential. You're telling me this thing. I've ordered for this food for how long now? In fact, I'm going to call the Commissioner of Environment.
She will soon bring the food, okay?
How can somebody order food and you delay it?
Look, calm down.
No, don't tell me. Let me call the commissioner. Let him know that people like this can actually sell in an environment like this without... No.
You know it's not necessary.
No, it is. No, relax yourself. It is me. I am a big boy. I know what I'm connected. Relax yourself.
Chuka.
080.
Chuka, stop it.
I've already typed 080.
It's okay.
What the hell? What the hell? I don't like this.
Just calm down. For my sake. For Cindy's sake. Alright?
It's even written in the Bible, in the book of Malachi chapter 6 verse 7. It says, at the mention of your name, every knee must bow. At the mention of Cindy now, I am
Chuka,
no, for your sake, I will do it. For your sake. Baby, relax.
Okay.
Woman, you can take as long as you want. Take 3 hours to bring. Cindy said, relax. I'm relaxed. Cintomeria, Cinderella, Cintorini. You are a queen. I need to serve you as a queen that you are. You understand? So relax, yeah? Relax yourself. Take.
What is this?
Oh, okay. This is not rice. It's not beans. It's not chicken. This is white rice and stew.
Did you just order food without meat for me to eat?
No, I didn't order meat food without meat for you. These people here, they say they have only red meat, beef. I asked them, do you have goat meat? They said no. do you have chicken? They said no. Do you have okporoko? They said no. Do you have mangala? They said no. What of obo? They said no. What of all the whole meat that can make somebody, enjoy his meat, like proteinous things that can make somebody eat his rice very well? They said they don't have. I said, how can I give my love, my woman, beef to eat? And baby, you know that scientists have it that excess beef causes cholesterol. I said, no, I cannot make you have it. Cholesterol is not good for your health.
I want meat. Enough meat. In fact, I don't want to eat this rice. I want to eat meat.
Meat is a small thing. What is it? Madam!
Sir?
Come. Bia. Madam, come. Yeah. Daddy, sir.
Oga, I know they sell am, God forbid. I know they buy credit for market. You hear?
What kind of insult is that? What was that for? Look at this woman. I asked this woman to supply us with meat. She said she has what she have here is pork meat. I said, how can you serve an age to my woman? That's the reason she's shouting, saying credit. Who wants to buy credit? For what reason? What kind of insult is this? Baby, don't be angry. You see all these, most of the times, all these people, they think negatively. Please, can you give me, just borrow me 1,000 naira. Let me. It's not like I don't have money. It's just that my ATM is under suspension. I went to withdraw. I didn't know what I pressed. The next thing, the ATM paid me 1 million naira. Bah! I said, 1 million naira is this. I slotted the card again to withdraw. The next thing I heard was one voice. This is to let you know that you have withdrawn more than you can withdraw. Why will you withdraw 1 million naira? Are you a criminal? I said, Negum kwa. Are you a criminal, Negum? Before you know it, these people suspend. The next thing is, your car has been suspended for attempting fraud and murder. Murder kwa? For ATM. How? So, but if you give me this 1,000 naira now, by the time we leave here, I will make up, I will arrange and give you back. Yeah?
Chuka, did you lure me out here to insult me? What is the meaning of this? Nonsense.
Sweet. Hey! Sweet, mom! Sweet! I'm sorry for what happened over there. Believe me, all I need from you is just one more chance. It will never happen again. Even in the Bible,
Mr. Chuka, to be honest with you, I like you, but you don't have money to maintain me. Imagine where you brought me to eat. Even the dogs in my father's compound will not even go there.
Okay, I am sorry for the dogs. Oh, sorry. I am sorry for the embarrassment. Oh, Biko.
Go and hustle for money. When a man chases after babes first, he will lose all of them. But when he chases after money, he will win all the babes.
You see, Hey. Oh, Lisa Vini, you are very, very intelligent. In fact, you are not just intelligent, you are intelligent on top of beauty. This is what, when you bring beauty and intelligence put together, you get beauty and the beast. This is why I love you. I'm telling you.
It is not beauty and the beast. It is beauty and brains.
Hey, do you know? How? What can I say without you? A very intelligent and beautiful. Do you know inside my brain? I know it is beauty and brain, I know. But when I wanted to deliver, something else came out of my mouth. Thank you very much. Don't mention.
My advice to you is go and hustle for money.
On that advice, honestly speaking, I have tried. There's nothing I have not done. I have tried on so many things to make money, but
You've not tried enough. Go and ask other guys how they made it. I'm sure making money is as easy as it's you that is finding it difficult. They will tell you how far, you know that, right?
Okay. I thank you for your advice. So it's not like, but wait, please let me ask this. What about our love? Because as it is now, in fact, not even now and hereafter, I cannot do without you. I cannot live without you.
I'll see you when you're rich and loaded.
But
don't forget.
Money is the root of evil.
Or comes to it. Is this how I am going to end? Chuka, she said, go and make money. Go and make money. Ha! Ego. Money! I am going to make you. I am good. Is it not you, money? She said, go and make money. I must make money. I am going to make this money in abundance. On this same spot here, I will come and tell you I have made money. I love this girl. Yep. Let somebody go and tell this girl on her body brain. This girl on her body brain. I shall make this money and impress her. However, by hook, by crook. Anyhow, I shall come. Chuka, go and make money.
Wow, you're so lucky.
Thank you.
As usual, you're always lucky. Even in relationships. That reminds me, what's up with you and Tony? Hope say you know chook that thing for your finger, may just cage you down.
No, not at all. We are good. And you know what? When the time comes for the wedding bells, you guys will be the first to know. I've already made up my mind. I'm going to have 2 chief bridesmaids. You and Ejiro.
And that'll be first in history.
Don't worry. I'll be your chief bridesmaid.
No. Ejiro, you will hold my veil while you would dab my face each time I'm sweating.
Don't tell me you're jealous.
I'm not though, but if she's even describing it,
you carry the veil.
When the time comes.
And talking about you, what's up now with your guy?
Who's talking about them?
I'm alone and I'm not looking for them. I'm tired of your wahala.
You know too much. Frustration is the word. Your problem is too much.
You don't even
It can be so annoying. I tell you what happened between I and Benson the other time.
Any child that refuses to respect the father in that land can never make progress. You see, I don't even know what you told the man. Nonsense. I don't even know what you told the man. Now you're coming here to tell me cock and bull story nonsense stories. I'm a man. The man told me, he promised me he must help you.
Papa, stop all these things you're saying. Yes! Stop all these things you're saying. Mamia, Papa slapped me. You are here and saying, I told you that this man did not promise me money. I went to the man told me to go to the bank. That is in the bank that I can find money. Money is always in the bank. If I need the money, I should go to the bank. If you see the way he was saying it, go to the bank. That is where money is. Go to the bank. I told you many times, but Papa, it's as if you don't want to understand, or is it that you don't hear? Give me your ear, the one you hear with. Let me speak this one more time into your ear. Papa, the man did not promise me money. He did me 419 OBT. The more you look, less you see. Papa, get this into your old skull head. Huh? Get it? Yes.
Me, you see it? And you say you did not insult the man.
How did I insult him? How did I insult the man?
Before me, you are now saying me. Skull head. Go and tell your mother and your sister. Not me, Julius.
I'm talking with you, Papa. Talk to me. Stop. Don't put. Thank you, Mama. Mama, come and fight for yourself, oh.
Nobody should come in this matter. Not after conspiring with that your wicked friend.
Whoa.
To ridicule my son. Now you are looking for who to apportion blame on. Please. Nobody should just call me. I don't want. My son. Huh? Please come and eat. You need something. Come and eat. This is what I've been telling you. I have suffered in this man's hand for over 30 years now. Let's go. You need food.
Papa, look at you. Your mates are shoveling money, not newspaper.
Go.
Look at you're shoveling newspaper.
Will not
when
change.
your mates are shoveling money, you're shoveling newspaper.
Let's go. Let's go.
So you're going to eat.
Mba, I'm going to suck breast.
It's like I'm going to pack out of this compound. Those people, they can kill me. Oh. They can kill me. Oh.
I have a good news for you.
Good news?
Yes, good news.
Okay. What is it?
One of my friends, his name is Dallas.
Okay.
Dallas has promised to give me Schengen visa to go to Europe.
What did you just say?
Europe.
Europe? That is Obodo Yibo?
Obodo Yibo. As I talk to you now,
this is good news. You are there already?
I'm there.
In fact, you are there now.
Mama, this thing that I'm about to say now, except you want to tell me you have another son outside, apart from me.
Look, I don't have it. I don't have any son anywhere.
Mama, if I am your only son, because as far as I'm concerned, as far as I know, I'm the only son that you have. Mama, you need to help me.
You are my only son.
You need to help me, Mama. I need your help.
Yeah.
I need your help, Mama.
Chuka, my son, you are my only son. And I've been helping you seriously in my prayers. I pray for you day and night. I pray that anything that you lay your hand on, this will work.
Mama, let me tell you, yes, prayer is good. Oh. Prayer is very, very important. But Mama, let me tell you, even if you like, pray from here to Jericho or even Jerusalem, it cannot take you anywhere close to airport. Mama, all these things Papa has been doing on you, I don't like it. I really need to travel and come back so that all these things will change.
Hi, Chineke. My son, you are right. I suffered in your father's hand. I saw my ears with my eyes.
Mama, this is the reason you should, let me travel to this Europe and come back. I need money. Just raise money for me. Let me have money so that I can go and come back. By the time I go and come back, all these problems Papa has been inflicting on you, all these problems will stop. Papa will no longer see you to create sin or do all these things on you again.
But my son, you have traveled before and it didn't work severally.
Mama, do you know why it did not work? It didn't work then because I didn't go with money. There was no money. That was why I had to travel through road, Sahara Desert, bush, forest to get to that place. It wasn't easy. If not for God's intervention, Mama, I wouldn't have returned alive. So we need to thank God specially for bringing me back alive. Mama, this is why I need money on this case so that I can be able to get this visa.
So how much are we talking about? How much will it cost you to get the visa? Okay,
how much are we talking about? According to my friend Dallas, he said, from his calculations, he said just 450,000 naira.
Ha! A whole 450,000.
Ha! Mama, do you know he even put only?
Chuka, it's not only. It's not only. Where do you expect me to get such money from? Where do you expect me to get poor woman like me? Where do you expect me to get such money from?
Mama, I know you're a poor woman. I know you're a poor woman. You don't have money. Borrow. Look for a way and borrow this money. Borrow from any angle. I know you're a poor woman.
See, Chuka, the only little money I have now, with me, is the one I am managing for my crayfish business. Chuka, 450,000 naira.
Mama, see, I know the only money you have is the one you are managing for your crayfish business. Mama, let me tell you, assuredly, that if I go to this Obodo Igbo, this Europe, and return, You see all this crayfish business that you do. You stop crayfish business and be doing stock business. That is Afio Boroko. I'm telling you. From there I will send a container of Mama, not a container. I'll send containers of stockfish for you, and you become the largest distributor of stockfish in this Hemosophilia.
My son, this one is
I'm telling you, in fact, you'll be known as Mama Boroko, Mama Stockfish. This our road will become Oborokoistic Avenue. I'm telling you.
My son, this one is good news.
Good news.
And I claim it in Jesus' name.
Amen.
And it will work in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Hi! My son, 450,000. We will like it 450,000.
Hey, Mama, borrow from friends, borrow from relatives, borrow from it. Mama, go to pastor.
Pastor?
Yes, go to the pastor, because from the time since I know you as a mother, you've been sowing seed in that church. Go to the pastor and tell him that this is the time for you to reap what you've been sowing. Let him give you money.
Don't go there. How can he give me the money? That one is God's money.
Mama,
that one is God's money.
Are you not God's child?
I'm God's child, but that is God's money, my son. See, don't worry about how I will get the money. I will try. What will I do? You are my only son. You will go to Obodo Igbo. Is it not Obodo Igbo?
Yes.
You will go to Obodo Igbo. I will try and get the money. See, I will borrow. From friends, I will borrow. I even sell my wrapper. The new ones I have inside, I will try and sell it for you to go.
Mama, I'll put it in prayer. In this one now, I'll put it in prayer. God will answer your prayers. So that your borrowers will have money to borrow you money.
Cindy baby, bien kangwagi, yelele. Cindy baby, bien kangwagi, yelele. I love you well, mano simnobi, yelele. I love you well, mano simnobi.
Sanda lili, sanda lili, sanda lili, sanda. Do you know I love you so much? Aya, tell me you love me too. Tell me if you love me.
Yes, now. Okay, the roof I have for you is very big. It's big like this.
It's big like this?
Yes.
Like a mansion?
Like mansion.
Confront. You're making me look like this. I don't know why are you hiding from anybody? Is there anybody passing?
No.
Standing. Okay, your love for me is big.
Like this.
Like a mansion. Okay. If you love me like you claimed, as you're saying that you love me, Oya, can you give me that money that I'm asking? Because if you give me that money, it's not going to be a waste on you. Neither is it going to be a waste. It is going to be of a great help. If I travel and come back to this country, I will buy a house in Banana Island. If I buy a house in Banana Island, we'll cruise in G-Wagon and Prado. I'm telling you.
Prado. I like that motto, Prado. I like them.
Do you know the motto?
I like motto.
Because you said Plado, you like Plado, as if you know.
Plado,
okay, that one is section 1 of the enjoyment. After enjoying ourselves here, on all those cars, we will travel to America. That one is
America.
Where we will settle down. And after settling down in America, we will call for your parents. Your mother is going to come. Your father. Your brother Jehoshaphat.
Hey, Joe, my brother.
Yeah, Joe, your brother, Jehoshaphat, your brother, and your sister. In fact, we are going to invite all your villagers, even your Igwe. Do you know the title they will give to you? Chief Mrs. Sandra Mborukwe Onwudinjo Onwudiwe, one of Obak Kingdom.
I like that one. Oh, sweet.
You like him, Abi?
I like him.
Okay, you like him. You said all the money, your salary, you've been saving all your salary. You've been saving them. Do you know that money is going to change our life? I am telling you, that money is going to change our life forever.
Don't worry, my love. I will give you all the money, but you will promise me. You promise me that you will not leave me and follow all these beautiful girls on the streets. You promise me. Beautiful girls.
Me go after a beautiful girl. Who in this world is more beautiful than you are? Let me tell you, I don't see any other woman as a beautiful woman than the way I see you. As a matter of fact, by right, you're supposed to go for a beauty contest with Mami Water, because both of you share the same, you share equal beauty. You're even more beautiful. I'm sure wherever Mami Water is now, she'll be jealous of you. Can you hear me?
You don't do. Let me go. My madam will be looking for me.
Your madam will be looking for you?
Yes.
But the money is intact, isn't it? The money is intact. That one is most important. Okay, you want to be going now? Okay, can you prove more? Give me more proof that you love me. Can you just kiss me? God, please. Chukubiko, please. I'm begging you in the name of God. God, I beg. Let this girl, let this money work. Let this girl fulfill her promise. This money is important to me. I need this thing. I need it, Biko. God, please. Oh, Biko, help me touch her mind. Let her not spend that money for anything. Let it be. Thank you, God. Thank you.
Papa, I go worry and well. I go make you money. I go buy you car. I go buy you house. Anything you want. As you see me, so I be international man. I don't travel, go.
Mama.
My son. I actually sold all my clothes, borrowed from friends. I sold every crayfish I have in my shop to be able to raise this money. It's 80,000 naira. Have it. 80,000 naira, my son.
It's okay, Mama. It's all right. It's okay. No problem. To remember you.
Amen.
Keep you alive.
Amen.
So that by the time I go and come, I'll change your life.
Hey! Amen. My son, let us pray so that this journey will be a successful one. Odogwu Akataka. Father in heaven, the Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end. Father Lord, as he's about to embark on this journey, let him go and come back in peace in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Amen and amen.
Amen. Oga, those people who are there, are they? I think it's like they came for a conference or what?
Yeah, I have a meeting in there. Okay, I mean you saw it for yourself. That was why I had to bring you down here. So, money is involved.
It's okay, sir. This is the 450,000 naira you asked me to bring. This money, sir, I need this. In fact, this money is my blood. There is nothing I have not done in this country to survive. All to no avail. As if somebody is blocking my success. I said no. Let me try the other way around and make this money. You understand? So Biko, this is the 450. Help me.
Chuka, you don't need to worry yourself. Okay? Just relax. I mean, this is my work, and I know how to do it very good. I guess your friend, your friend Chidi is in Europe now.
Ah, yes, yeah, I know Chido is there. He was even the one that he sent part of the money. This money here, he sent part of it.
I mean, I don't see why you're getting yourself so worked up. Listen, all I want you to do right now is just go home, get your things ready, and by this time next week, you come back and get your visa.
Okay. Sir, you see this your Shanga? What did you call it?
No, Shenge.
Okay, Shenge. This Shenge visa is my blood. I need this visa anyhow. Tooth and nail. Anyhow it will come. I need it. Because the reason I'm telling you this is, you see this money you asked me to go and raise for this visa. I borrowed money from everywhere. Where did I not borrow money from? The only place I did not go to borrow money is in a shrine. Otherwise, I borrowed from left, right, and center. You understand? Even my mother, I told you my mother is a petty trader. You understand? She sells crayfish, not even full fish, crayfish. So the money she made from crayfish sales, she gave to me, I added to what I have here. You understand? When she gave me the money, you know, putting everything together, summed up to this 450,000 naira that I'm bringing to you. I need to travel. I need to go out and make money.
Chuka, relax yourself. Why are you disturbing yourself? Huh? Just relax. By this time next week, come and get your visa.
You said next week?
Yes.
By this time next week. Okay. This is the money.
Okay.
It's complete. It's 450,000.
Okay.
You want to read it? You want to count it?
No problem. No problem.
Okay, no problem. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Nice doing business.
Okay.
All right. Take care.
Sir, please, Biko, I've begged you. I've explained my predicament.
Chuka, trust me, okay? You will get your visa.
Okay. Next week?
Yes, next week.
Sir, you know this case is like a case of...
Oh my God, Chuka, relax yourself.
Cindy lost me too.
Okay.
I will do anything to reach her target. Madije monego, odigo fele, chukukeroa, naratara numenye maka. I love Cindy, Cindy lost me too. I will do anything to reach her target.
Yeah, Austin.
Madije monego,
call Chido now. You guys should be doing this right now.
Chukukeroa, naratara numenye.
I am going to see my friend Dallas to collect my Schengen visa.
He's ready.
Mama, see, by the time I get there, I cross over, I make plenty money. If I come back, all these pains, all these afflictions will end.
That is good, my son.
You remember Ejike? Ejike, upon say I get sense past Ejike, Ejike has made it big in Holland. Trust me, if I enter there, I will make it rich. Come back to this country, buy you a jeep and a driver.
Hallelujah!
This is good. Yes.
Have you forgotten that? You're a kid sister. The only baby girl in this house. Of course, I will settle you. I will settle you, establish a very big business for you, and even buy your husband. Don't you know if you make money, if you have plenty money, plenty people will be loyal to you, respectfully. People will be respecting you. That is why I will set up a business for you. Buy you a husband who will love you, cherish you, and take care of you.
Odagu! Odagu!
What of Papa?
Papa, that man no try. But having asked, because you asked, I'm going to settle Papa. I will settle Papa and let Papa know what it takes to settle somebody. Especially when the person is your son. Settle him the way he's supposed to be settled. So I'm going to do it.
Ezibonwa, God will bless you for me. God will bless you for us.
Mama, let me hurry and see this Dallas. Before I come back, let's do look at Mangala. Of course I trust you. Mama, let me go.
Please hurry up.
It's all right. It's all right. Hello. Oga?
Yes, Chuka.
I'm actually on my way to your office. So.
There's a little delay here.
What? Delay? Oga, how? What kind of delay?
The High Commissioner traveled out suddenly and it's difficult approving visas. But every other thing is okay, just his approval, that's it.
Oga, but I called you yesterday. You gave me assurance that this thing is going to come out. Which one is this delay now?
Why are you talking like this, okay? It's not my fault. These things happen. Okay, fine. By Friday, just get ready to come collect your visa. Alright?
Okay, honestly speaking, these are the kind of stories I hate to hear. These are the kind, I don't like this kind of a story now. I've made up my mind, I've prepared everybody in my area, everybody knows that I'm traveling. What kind of delay is this one? I don't like this.
Are you okay? What's the meaning of that? Huh? What do you mean by story? Listen, if not that I have given out money, I would have asked you to come collect your money right away. What's all this rubbish for? No, tell me, how much did you even pay me? So many people pay 1 million naira for this stuff, and you just gave me peanut and you're there shouting.
What are you trying to tell me?
Listen, I have told you by Friday, come and collect your visa. Let me, I'm sick and tired of this, your attitude.
Okay, no verse. You said Friday?
Yes, by Friday.
Okay, at the same time, you should understand my plight. I told you how I got this money. How my mother raised the money from her crayfish. This thing, the money she made from crayfish. And all the small neighbor that I borrowed money from to make up this 450,000. Please, try and make... Okay, you should... Hello? Idiot, I cut the phone. I hate this kind of nonsense. How can somebody be proposing and somebody somewhere will be disposing? This is a case of how? What the hell? What the hell? I don't like this kind of nonsense. Everybody in my area now, everybody knows that I'm traveling. For me to go and take my visa. Okay, brother, come here. For what reason? For what? Hello, Dallas.
Yes, meet me in my office by 10 on the dot.
In your office?
Yes, your visa is ready. And listen, I spent extra cash on this visa stuff, okay? So if you're coming, get me my extra change back.
Bros, you know I don't have anything on me again. You know how much I struggled to get all this money. I don't have anything.
It's okay. Just come by 10 on the dot. Yeah, every other guy's collected yours yesterday.
Oh, it's alright. I'll be in your office now. I'll come. 10.
Yes, 10 a.m.
You see, even 99, I am there. It's alright. Cut your phone. You don't bust my brain. Cut your phone.
Alright, yeah.
Oh! Is this how? In fact, I am so happy. Let me go home now and prepare my mind for 10 o'clock. Go and take your listen. That owns this, that man that has a tribal mind all over his body. That owns this office. The place is today's sanitation. Is he around?
What about him?
Okay, the man, we have an unfinished business. You know, so today is supposed to be the last day for me to come and this, but the place is locked.
Did you give him money?
Of course, I gave him money, plenty money for my visa. He's doing visa for me, so I gave him money. And I came to pick my visa today. The place, I don't know. And when kids were for the man, because.
Like how much?
Okay, how much I gave him was 450,000 naira.
Hey. Your money is gone. The man is a fraudster.
Sir, maybe you did not get what I said. You know, I jokingly said the 450 is for visa. It's not making.
You are gone. You are finished. The man, as you can see, the man is no longer there. He's a fraudster.
How? OBT. Fraudster. The man is a fraud. How? So, this is how I. Chineke, where are you? Chineke, where are you? Where are you? Let me call him. Now, let me call him. Hey! This is how I come. This is how I have ended my soul. Yes, I'm just relaxing. I'm just relaxing. Huh? Oh, okay. No, it's the harmattan, the wind. The wind the harmattan is coming with. It's entering my eyes, so it's you know, it's just the harmattan.
Harmattan. In this hot sun, see, talk to me. I am your friend.
Okay, yes, yes, I've been duped. They duped me today because of you. The money my mother sold from petit trading, crayfish money, and all the people, they collected everything. All because of you. Because you said I should go to Europe to go and make money. I came looking for visa. This people go Chando.
Because of me?
Yes, because of you.
I never knew you were serious.
Yeah? Yes, I was serious. So, because when you were telling me to go and make money, go and hustle, others are making money, I decided to go to Europe to go and make this money. Only for me to end up in the hands of OBT people. Okay, now, in fact, as it is, I better die. Let me die because I cannot face this shame. I can't face this shame. Let me die. No. Let me die, yo. Don't tell me to, because I don't know. What will I tell my mother? What will I tell the people that I borrowed money from? The crayfish money. How will I explain? Let me die.
It's okay.
Let me die.
Chuka, listen to me. Everything will be fine. Alright? This is not the end of your life. Do you understand? It's okay. So, tell me. How do I help?
Yes, you can help me or you can help me. Give me money for rope. Give me money for rope.
Rope? For what?
Let me go. Let me go and hang myself. Let me buy rope and hang myself by myself. What am I living for? No. How can I face the people that I borrowed money? The one that annoys me and always my mother's mom. They go crayfish. What will I tell my mother when I get to home? What will I tell her? What will I tell her that happened to me?
Chuka, listen. You have to calm down, okay? You have to calm down for my sake. Everything will be fine. Alright? You just have to calm down.
Did you say everything? In fact, because you said that everything will be fine, and because I know now that you love me the way I love you, I will not die again. What will I die for? What am I dying for? When you love you.
This is 5,000. Just take it and hold on to yourself. Alright?
Give me 5,000.
Take it. Chuka, take it. Take this money. Oh. You need it.
Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you, my love. Thank you once again.
It's okay.
God bless you, my love.
I have to run along. I'm late for an appointment. And promise me you won't cry again.
I promise you I won't cry again. Right. Thank you, my love. See you later. Thank you, my love. Thank you.
Let me call you back, okay? No, hold it there.
I'm sorry.
What's wrong with you?
I'm sorry.
You don't have class at all.
It's okay.
What is embarrassing me as your friend? I don't like it. John is there dying for you and you're here messing with this wretched looking guy. You seen the rest?
Okay, I will explain.
Okay. Don't be angry. I saw a notice outside, vacancy. So I decided to come and see if I will be taking. I don't know if I will meet you or do I need to meet your Oga?
Did you come with your certificate?
Oh, my certificate. Oga, my certificate. I have certificate too. I have it. It's at home. Just as I was passing by when I saw this thing. So I said, let me apply in person and use my mouth as certificate. Okay, everything in that certificate, I can explain it. It's in my head. I know it. I own the certificate. I know what is inside. Anything you ask me, I will defend.
No, you're supposed to come with a certificate. As you're looking for work, you're supposed to come with a certificate. But your CV, your date of birth, at least you're supposed to come with your head if you don't have certificates.
Okay, which one is the one they used to sack me? Do they give certificate when they deny you work? You also made mention of me bringing my elders. Am I coming for traditional marriage? Yes! This is you! By their face we shall know them! Yes! I said it! By their face we shall know them! Let me tell you, if you don't give me my money here and now, I am going to die with you. Yes! What the fuck? By their face we shall know them. It was you. You did me for one and you think I won't recognize you. I know you! Give me my money here now, bro. Give it to me, or else we'll die.
What the fuck is
Give it to me, else we are going to die here now.
What the fuck is this clown?
Okay, you can let it fuck. You can let it fuck. Fuck Riya, Gawa. You must give me my money here, I'm telling you. Okay. Huh? Okay, give me my money here. Provide my money, yo. Provide my money, yo. Else we're going to. Look at you. Look at you. You're holding my hand. I am leaving you because I have a sister like you. Otherwise, I would have broken all of your teeth. In fact, you will use packer to pack your teeth. Now, at the count of 3, you release this hand. Release this hand because this hand is on mission. 1, you shouldn't happy. 2, leave an innocent hand who is going for justice mission. You don't want to leave it. 3, okay? Okay. What?
Take this motherfucker.
What? Hey! Take this motherfucker. Hey! Hey! What? Hey! Oh, one more. Oh, one more. Oh, one more. Hey!
Shut up.
Hey! 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 Oh, one more.
Come on, shut up. Let's make this into your
Come on.
See, you can talk to anybody the way you want. Huh?
Stop. Hey!
Put him in the boat. Put him in the boat.
Because, please now.
Talk to anybody. Put him in. Go back inside. Shut up. You can talk to anybody the way you want. I finish with you. Know how to talk to me. Choka. You know you would have just died for nothing. I mean, if we had gone out there with our escorts, they will all shoot your leg and not one person will say one word. They form Gragrabi. Don't on big boy. Listen, in my line of business, the first lesson is to know when a friend's position has changed and respect him accordingly. Then nigga, I help this guy out, okay? Get him a drink.
He doesn't understand yet. Just like
Sugar, you want to make money. You want to make real money. I like you. And I'll teach you how to make that money. Well, drink up. This big boy's drink. Don't worry, you'll drink more of that later. Chuka. I mean, Chuka thinks I'm still that Dallas of before. am not anymore. Hmm? All the same, I'll still teach you how to make money. Drink up. That's only if you accept to work for me. For us. Hmm? You're looking at me. Get this crazy ass. Well, help yourself with that. And drink up. If you're in on this, then we can talk. As you can see, I'm a busy man. Frankie, help him out. I want him in. Chuka, dig up.
Okay, I'm going to be very plain with you. I don't care if he wants you in or wants you out. As far as I'm concerned, you don't matter. Okay? You know, I don't like you. I don't. You see that there? Hmm? That is called exit. So you either in or you use it. Do you understand me? So if you're in, that's your drink. Hey, are you in or out?
In.
I see you like money. Big money. Tell me, you like G-Wagon? HSC Sports? Which one? Ace! I'm talking to you. You like big money, right? You like big money. And you are acting up.
Chuka, are you ready for this initiation?
Yes.
Then go on your knees. Chuka, do you swear by Ijakiti that you shall remain faithful and loyal to this organization? Do you swear to that?
Yes, I swear.
Do you swear that you shall never reveal any information you get here, see or feel to any members of your family, be it your father, mother, brother or sister? Do you swear to that?
Yes, I swear.
Do you swear by Ijakiti that when sent on an assignment, that you shall not disclose the identity of any member of this organization, be it under pressure? Do you swear to that?
I swear.
And do you swear that if you are found guilty of any of these offenses, let death be your portion?
Yeah?
Do you swear to that?
Swear. Judge, no going back. Swear.
Swear or you will die.
Swear. Swear or you will die here.
Swear.
Swear.
Swear. Do you swear to that?
Yes, I swear, I swear.
You are now welcome to this organization. Untie him. Shut up! Fool. You think we are here to joke? No rice. You are now welcome to the brotherhood. You can now greet him.
Anything he go take, I must to do If not to worry, Papa, I go worry and well. I go make it money, I go buy you car, I go buy you house, anything you want. As you see me, so I be international man. I don't travel, go many places in the world.
Who are you?
What do you want?
I hope you are not missing your way.
Cindy, my love, I want more.
I am not missing my way. My auntie chased me out of the house. She said, if I don't bring back her money, I should not return to the house again.
Your auntie? Money? What are you talking about? What money are you talking about?
Mommy, I gave Chuka 50,000 for his London visa. Mommy, it is my auntie money. Oh. Yesterday, she started looking for the money. After beating me, she chased me out of the house. I don't have anywhere to go to, so I carry my bag to Chuka's house. Chuka.
Come. Come closer. Come. You know Chuka?
He's my rover. He say you come and marry me and take me and my brother Joe to London.
What is your name?
Sandler.
And who is Chuka to you?
He's my rover. He rove me. Rove him.
Chuka said he will marry you.
Yes, Mom.
Okay. So, where is Chuka? Where is Chuka now?
Chuka? I don't know.
You don't know? You don't know where Chuka is?
Chuka?
So it is you?
So it is you?
Where is my son? Where did you take my son to? I never see you! Where is... Where is my son? Where? Hey! Chuka. Chuka, what is it? Why are you not talking? Why are you not talking to me? Chuka, you are scaring me. You are scaring me. You look scary. Chuka, you have been missing for days now, and now you are back. You are not talking to anyone. What is it?
Mommy, let me talk to him. He will listen to me. He loves me. It's my role.
Don't. If you lay finger on my son, I will break your neck. Idiot. Chuka, what is this? Chuka, talk to me. Chuka. What did you do to my son?
Hey! Mommy!
I said, what did you do to my son? What did you do to my son? Start talking. What?
This is good.
Yes, this is good.
Baby, good night.
Yeah, baby.
This is baby. Baby! Hey! My son! Because you can. God will bless you. See! This is the first time you went.
Yes.
And you brought this kind of car. Ha!
The next time you will go, you will bring more. You will even carry trailers of cars. You will come back with trailers of cars.
Amen.
Hey! This is good.
Where is the phone you promised?
Oh, the phone I promised you. I bought you phone, oh. Expensive phone for that matter. Your turn. Mama?
Now you are happy.
I bought you Abada. Uku George. Mama, no matter how expensive a bag of rice is, Mama, you need rice. We'll be eating rice.
God will bless you for me. God will bless you for me.
As for Papa, I bought Papa a bottle of Schnapp and plenty newspapers.
Let him continue drinking.
Plenty newspapers.
Let him be drinking and be reading.
Yes, Mama.
I'll be doing all the reading.
Enter motor, let me take you home. Buy motor, come on. Enter motor, let me take you home.
Let me take
you home.
The front seat. The front seat. Front seat. Come on here.